Have you seen the viral raw carrot salad recipe and wondered, what's all the hype? Well, believe it or not, this is a superfood recipe that I recommend to a lot of my clients to help support their gut and hormone health. And yes, it's as easy and as simple as a raw carrot. The original version of this salad has kind of gotten lost in translation on social media with all sorts of random ingredients getting added in and the benefits kind of getting lost. So, I want to clear the air and explain what it's really about, where it came from, and how to do it right. If you're new here, my name is Tara. I'm a functional nutrition practitioner, and I help women overcome their chronic gut and hormone symptoms with a root cause approach. So, if you're into that sort of thing, be sure to subscribe and follow along to learn more. First, let's go over the many underrated health benefits of the raw carrot. Raw carrots are a superfood when it comes to gut and hormone health. As root vegetables, carrots grow underground, so their fibers have tough, protective, natural antibacterial, antimicrobial properties to protect themselves from microorganisms in the soil. These same antimicrobial properties have a natural antibiotic effect on humans. The fibers in carrots also act like a gentle scrub brush in your gut because they can help bind to inflammatory endotoxins, which are waste products from harmful bacteria in your gut, and then escort them out of the body. Their fibers also help to bind to excess estrogen in the gut, preventing it from getting reabsorbed back into your bloodstream. This is a huge benefit, especially for those of us who are constantly exposed to environmental xenoestrogens and hormone disruptors, because too much estrogen circulating in the body and in your tissues can slow down your liver, cause mood swings, bloating, PMS, constipation, and even stubborn weight gain. The raw carrot salad was originally popularized by Dr. Ray Peat, a biologist and hormone researcher. He talked about the raw carrot salad as a way to naturally balance estrogen, progesterone, and cortisol by improving gut and liver function. According to Dr. Ray Peat, one vegetable has a special place in the diet to balance the hormones, and that is the raw carrot. It is so nearly indigestible that when it is well chewed or grated, it helps to stimulate the intestine and reduce the reabsorption of estrogen and the absorption of bacterial toxins. In these effects on the bowel, which improve hormonal balance, a carrot salad resembles antibiotic therapy, except that the carrot salad can be used every day for years without harmful side effects. Many people find that daily use of the raw carrot eliminates their PMS, headaches, or allergies. Also, from Dr. Ray Peat, endotoxin or other material absorbed from intestinal bacteria contributes to a variety of autoimmune problems, including thyroiditis. Combining an indigestible fiber such as raw carrot with mild germicides such as vinegar and coconut oil can improve the hormonal environment while reducing the immunological burden. All of that is pretty amazing for a carrot, right? So, with no further ado, let's dive into the recipe. Here's how to make it. You'll need 1 to 2 regular organic carrots, no baby carrots allowed as they are often treated with chlorine, organic white vinegar, coconut oil or olive oil, and a pinch of salt. Once you have your ingredients, the first step is to wash and peel the outer layer of your carrot and then discard the outer skin. Then use your peeler to shave the carrot into strips, or you can grate them if you prefer. Then add a drizzle of vinegar, a drizzle of melted coconut or olive oil, and a pinch of salt. And an optional step, if you suspect sluggish thyroid or liver function, and you'll know that's you if your hands turn yellow or orange from eating too many carrots, you can try soaking the carrot strips overnight in a jar with 3/4 cup of water and a quarter cup of vinegar to reduce the beta carotene content and make them even more digestible. It is traditionally recommended to consume the carrot salad on an empty stomach, but you'll still reap the rewards if you consume it with your meal. And if you want to spice it up a little bit, you can also make variations to your salad, such as adding shredded raw beets for extra liver support. You can throw in apple slices or cranberries for a little sweetness, or you can play with the herbs and seasonings for added flavor. And if you truly dislike the salad or you're pinched for time, you can still reap many benefits simply by eating a plain raw carrot. I personally prefer the traditional carrot salad, and I usually eat this 1 to 2 times per day. And honestly, the more I eat it, the more I crave it. As a result of regularly eating the raw carrot salad, I've noticed more regular digestion, fewer sugar cravings, and more stable energy throughout the day, thanks to the added blood sugar balancing effect of the fiber. Now, most people are able to tolerate the raw carrot salad, but there are a few exceptions. If you have histamine intolerance, the vinegar might be a trigger. In that case, just stick with a plain raw carrot. If you have severe gut dysbiosis, the fiber might be too much on your digestion. And if you struggle to digest fat, skip the oil until your digestion is stronger. And if your gut is in that rough of shape where you can't tolerate any of those foods, this is where functional lab testing and deeper support comes in. That's exactly what I help my clients with inside my one-on-one Gut Well program. You can learn more about that in the description below. So yes, the raw carrot salad absolutely lives up to the hype if you do it right and understand why it works. This is one of the simplest, most powerful tools I've seen for helping women balance their hormones, improve their digestion, and reduce inflammation. And the best part, it's cheap, accessible, and easy to stick with. Have you ever tried the raw carrot salad and have you noticed any benefits from it? Let me know in the comments below. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to learn more about how to heal your gut and hormones with a root cause approach.